Hi, I'm Michael Holyoke from Nokia Bell Labs, and we're here at Samtec's booth at IMS.
And I'm Maxwell Duffy from Northrop Grumman.
So today, we have a live demonstration of an integrated E-band millimeter wave radio, mainly for wireless transport, backhaul, or even SATCOM. In the other video at Samtec's booth at IMS, I talked about glass core technology as a material, how we leverage its excellent material properties electrically, mechanically for low loss RF components and interconnect. What we've done here is we're now leveraging glass as a platform for Nokia Bell Labs designed custom silicon devices. We're creating a package, an electronics assembly on glass with multiple interconnect and chips to realize a full radio on glass system. And to increase the reach of our E-band radio, we've partnered with Northrop Grumman and utilizing their new GaN technology to provide more RF power at E-band. Max, could you tell us a little bit about what you've made here?
What we have here is two 90 nanometer GaN circuits that are being combined on the glass substrate. The 90 nanometer GaN is a recently commercially qualified process. These chips were designed as part of a collaboration with Nokia and Samtec. And then out of this module, we're getting 4 watts of output power, which is very competitive for 71 to 76 gigahertz. The glass interposer provides a very high performance interconnect at these high frequencies, enables compaction, and provides thermal management for the chips. We think it's a very attractive option moving up to higher frequencies for these kind of systems. I'm Maxwell Duffy.
And I'm Michael Holyoke. Thanks for watching.